Okay, so this is my bathtub. And if you'll look way up here, that is my shower head. It was installed when the house was built. It is just your basic spray wash function. Nothing special about it. It is as old as our house. But the problem that we have is with the shower head being way up here, when my daughter is way down here, there's really no shower option for her. She does take a bath because she is not able to stand. So the shower head being way up here has presented some challenges for us. The new Delta 2-in-1 shower head is about to eliminate some of those for us. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm getting ready to install my new Delta Intuition 2-in-1 shower. This is what comes in the package. There's the instructions, which are actually pretty detailed and easy to follow. This is a 2-in-1 shower, so that's why there's two heads, and that actually locks in like that. Other things that you will need are a wrench. At least I think I will. My shower head has been up there for so long. And some plumber's tape. Plumber's tape does not come as part of the package. It's pretty inexpensive, and you can get it at most retail stores, hardware stores, or supply stores. I like the looks of this package because there is not a lot of parts. There's 3 parts. That means 3 things to connect. Less is better, especially for novice do-it-yourselfers such as myself. So next up, new shower. First thing, safety first, I did dry the shower off before I climbed up here. I have a little confession to make. I did loosen this just a little bit prior to getting started. It was pretty solid, and I did have to work at it a little bit to get it off. The first thing is to wrap the threads on the faucet or handle here, the shower handle, with some plumber's tape. That's pretty easy. Then we have take the larger head, and it just screws on here, I think. Okay. Okay. And I don't trust my strength skills here, so I am going to tighten it with a wrench. You know, if you've got some good muscles, some people do this without, but I am not one of them. Okay, so let's see. Alright, so there we go. Step 2 done. Now step 3. Now the way that I remember to do the hose ends is that the large end goes with the large head. So I'm just going to tighten that onto that end. Very good. And now I have the little head. I got it on there a little crooked, but just putting on the end. Alright, so maybe I'm not so good at that. Goes right on there. And Wow, that's got some power. Now, what I like about it is this comes off, and you can do the shower either this way by itself, or you can run them both at the same time. Ta-da! Obviously, I'm not used to this yet, so I'm getting used to it. But that should do our needs a little bit better. Okay, so there you have it. It literally took less than 5 minutes to install my new Delta Intuition shower head. One tool, barely, and just me. So if I can do it, definitely anyone else, even with no skills, can have a brand new system that gives you a little pampering and self-indulgence at home and meets way beyond your basic shower needs. I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, so this is my bathtub. And if you'll look way up here, that is my shower head. It was installed when the house was built. It is just your basic spray wash function. Nothing special about it. It is as old as our house. But the problem that we have is with the shower head being way up here, when my daughter is way down here, there's really no shower option for her. She does take a bath because she is